Good morning, everyone. It's Wednesday, so it's my day off from the store, and today we gonna get some work. All right, first up, we're gonna go cut down a tree
Make some firewood.
so we can get our keep our hoop house warm.
Yep. This tree we're cutting down was dead. There was no leaves on it this past year, so we know it's dead.
And I kind of burned it.
Well, I think it was dead before you burned it anyways.
Well,
I don't think this one didn't get as hot as the other one did.
all right, let's get rid of this. This is the tree that we're gonna take down today. Or Dave's gonna take down. I'm just gonna film him. So there it is. She's down. It was rotten in the middle. cleaning up back here on this back perimeter of the yard. Getting some of this. We're gonna take it over to the garden and burn it in the garden so we can use the ash out in the garden. But we're gonna get this all cleaned up so that you can see down to the next level. Except for the big trees. We're gonna keep the big trees except that one right there. This one right there. Because it's 2 inches off of our new house corner, and that's our bedroom. So even though we'd like to keep the tree, it will grow up to be a big tree, and 2 inches ain't enough clearance. And we don't want to have to deal with it later, so it's gonna have to go. That's what we're doing now. This is a scrub that you cut down, right? Or fell down or whatever. Along, let me get this, along that back line there, which we're gonna clean that up some more and just keep the big trees, but we're gonna burn this in the garden when we burn it so we can spread the ashes around the garden. Got to get a day when it's not too windy. How you feeling about today's progress?
Good. Not done today.
Yeah. Still sunny and blue out. Oh, here comes chickens. Cucumbers coming up. A lot of them. And cabbages coming up. And, well, if I could see, like we have a tomato right there. We got a few tomatoes down here and here. Our lettuce is coming up good. Sorry, it's a little steamy in here. These are cauliflowers, broccoli, it's doing good, and another tote of collards. Let's see. This is collards, carrots, all in there. All in there. And then these collards are a little bigger. Those are carrots. There's lots of them. Rutabagas, I need to separate those pretty soon. Beets. And these are the things that have been growing. So we definitely are getting some production with this heater being in here. Good Wednesday night. Well, we got a lot done.
Yeah, a lot of wood cut.
Got wood cut. We got Dave went back out after we hauled those loads over to the garden and cut more limbs down and trees down.
Yeah.
Then we came in and had dinner. Then we worked on our garden plan.
Yeah.
Then we worked on our house plan.
Yeah.
Now we're just gonna watch some TV.
I know y'all gonna say that I need to do something with my chainsaw. Yes, I do need a new bar.
We're gonna get that Friday.
I got chains, I just gotta sharpen them. I do need a new bar. It's not cutting right.
Cut it down though.
Yeah, but when you have to twist the saw to make it cut, it's because the bar's already wore out.
Well, we'll get one Friday.
Yeah.
Friday night, we're gonna go to Rural King.
I'll probably, no, I think I go to Lowe's to get the bar.
Friday night, we're going to Rural King and Lowe's.
Because I need to either get a steel bar or Oregon bar, not that cheap one that's on there.
Yeah, okay.
I won't name the brand.
Whatever you need.
It's a good saw, but the bar's not that great, so.
Well, I love you.
How are you?
You did good.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's a good thing we cut that tree down too, because it's starting to, it was getting bad.
Yeah, it probably would have fell
Yeah.
on our barn.
Probably, the way it was leaning, it would have fell. But it probably would have fell after we redid that grapevine.
Yeah, and had it going.
So.
So we did kind of drop it on the fence though.
Yeah,
So
it's not where I was aiming for, but
We'll-
that's the way it fell. So.
we'll have to straighten that out. No biggie.
No.
So, all right, we're getting our plans going for spring. How are you guys doing on your spring excitement? Anybody planting a garden? And I know Teresa is, and Dougie, because they got a greenhouse. Anybody else out there working on their spring stuff? We definitely have some plants growing, that's for sure.
Yeah.
And I'll be getting some more soil to Friday too, so I can get more seeds going. And yeah, we got a plan. How about y'all? All right, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up and a little likey like, and hit that notification bell so you know when we put out new videos. We love you guys. Have an awesome night. Peace.